Hi, it's Lynette here. So it's day 4. I can't actually believe where the kind of time's going this week. So I'm looking forward to seeing what we've got in the advent calendars today. So first of all, I'll do the number 7, 25 Days of Beauty advent calendar. And I'm looking for day number 4. And that's up here. You see that now? I love the writing on it. Kind of really pretty. Oh wow, so this is gorgeous. It's a number 7 gel finish nail colour, so that's perfect for Christmas, kind of Christmas and New Year season, isn't it? I do love a sparkly nail at this time of year, so yep, look forward to trying that. I do like number 7 nail polishes as well. Right, put that back in there, and now we'll see what's in day number 4. Oh, it's quite a big box. Quite a big box today. Oh, it's Rhodial Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. I've tried the Dragon's Blood before, so it was really nice, and I do like the Rhodial brand. So yep, that's a micellar water with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 to gently cleanse and soothe the skin. So that's a lovely skincare treat. So anyway guys, I hope you're enjoying your advent calendars, even if even if it's chocolate, whatever, or if you haven't got one. It's only been the last couple of years that I've even known about beauty advent calendars. Before that, it would have just been the boys I bought for. But yep, I'm really loving them this year. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.